Hi everyone! If you love shiny glass nails, this video is for you. Today, I'll be sharing 3 different ways to create crystal glass nails, step by step. Let's get started. Apply a silver cat eye gel nail polish to your nails and then activate the metal particles with the magnet. Start with one side first and then move the magnet to the next side. When you are satisfied, cure the nail. After you have cured the nail, you should apply matte top coat for 60 seconds. In order to create the thinnest lines possible, I will apply clear spider gel on the nail. Then, cure the nail. And finish the nail design by applying top coat on the nail and cure the nail for the last time. To make this nail design, you need to apply for different jelly nail polishes to the nail. Then use an ombre brush and just drag the brush down so that the colors blend together. When you are happy with the color mixing, cure the nail for 60 seconds and repeat this step. To get a pattern on the nail, I will apply molding glue with a nail brush, with the nail metal brush. You will create a pattern. Harden the nail when you are done with the pattern. Before I apply the Aurora Nail Chrome, I have applied top coat and finished the design by applying top coat again. Now we have come to the last nail design. We will start by applying a silver cat eye gel on the nail. After that, I will apply the nail glitter and use top coat to seal the nail glitter before I going to apply the solid gel glue on the nail. Once you have applied the solid nail gel glue, apply the nail chain in the middle of the nail to give the illusion that it is a ring on the nail. Take a metal cuticle pusher to create the pattern on the nail. Finish the nail design by applying top coat and cure. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed these crystal glass nail designs. Comment below which one you liked the most, and feel free to ask if you have any questions. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more nail tutorials. See you next time.